Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create Twitter account on mobile. First you open Twitter app. Click on create account. Select your language and then click next. Enter your name. After that enter your mobile number. Choose your date of birth, then click on next. Again click on next. Click on sign up. And then click OK to verify your phone number. Enter code and then click next. Enter password, make sure it's 8 characters or more. After that click on next. Upload your profile picture. Then click on next. Enter your username, you can always change it later. I choose skip for now. What do you want to see on Twitter? Select at least 3 interests to personalize your Twitter experience. They will be visible on your profile. After that click on next. Again click on next. Follow one or more account and then click on next. And that's it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.